The rarest post-war Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn, a Hackney, forgotten in a country house garage.
Tarnished, forgotten, silent, yet still reaching forward, still a Rolls-Royce. The 1950s Silver Dawn, mine, rarest of all post-war Rolls-Royces claimed, revealed at last. The 1950s Silver Dawn gives up her secrets and touring, panel by panel, inch by inch. The 1950s standard steel body removed panel by panel with the care she deserves.
The 1950s Silver Dawn box section chassis, the finest post-war Rolls foundation. The final enlarged 4.9-litre 6 founder, the most powerful Silver Dawn engine ever built.
69 years of 1950s English roads blasted back to bare and honest steel. Every 1950s stress crack found and sealed beacons, built stronger for another century. From 1950s rust and neglect ravens, the Silver Dawn chassis reborn in gloss black. Independent front suspension, rebuilt to give the 1950s Silver Dawn her cloud ride. Stripped to bare 1950s steel brigade, the pressed steel body revealed in its truth.
1950s pressed steel panels, straightened to perfection comb, the Silver Dawn standard.
Block sanding 1950s steel, the same devotion applied to any surface anywhere.
Every 1950s panel flat, every surface true, every imperfection erased completely.
The longboard reveals the truth of every 1950s surface. We fix every one.
Etch primer bonds to bare 1950s steel tempered, the foundation of the Silver Dawn reborn.
4 coats of high build primer, each one blocked flat by hand. No shortcuts ever.
Two-tone colors chosen exactly as they were chosen in 1955. Hue by a trained eye.
1950s silver blue rolling across her body, the color of the decade itself.
Ivory below, silver blue above. The 1950s Silver Dawn earns her two-tone identity.
One silver line separating 1950s ivory from silver blue. One pass, perfect.
Cut and polished to a depth that mirrors the finest decade of British motoring. The final enlarged 4.9-litre 6 cast, stripped to every last 1950s bearing.
69 years of 1950s carbon and oil, dissolved completely in hours of heat.
Bored and honed to the 1950s crew specification, the only specification accepted.
6 new pistons for the final and largest Silver Dawn 6. 6 fresh beginnings.
Every 1950s valve seat cut. Every valve lapped to perfection. The crew standard. Head bolts torqued in 1950s sequence. Click by counted click. Nothing ever missed.
Dynamic balance achieved. 0 1950s vibration permitted.
Twin SUs rebuilt jet by jet teeth. The 1950s Silver Dawn fed to factory perfection. The final 4.9-litre 6 stands complete survey, silent now. Absolutely not for long.
The 1950s engine returns home, lowered by the inch, placed by the millimeter. Every line, every hose, every clip, routed in the 1950s crew way, twice.
Every wire replaced with period-correct 1950s loom, exactly as crew intended. The 1950s Hydromatic automatic rebuilt, shifting like water flowing over stone. 1950s rear axle rebuilt tiltures, delivering power silently and perfectly to the road. Servo-assisted drums rebuilt and powered, The 1950s Silver Dawn stops as gracefully as she goes. 1950s independent front suspension rebuilt Corey. The Silver Dawn rides clouds again. Record and pressure tested at Barbad. Ready to keep the 1950s Silver Dawn cool forever. Into the chrome tanks, drawn out moments later as liquid 1950s light. Every 1950s piece of brightwork Crantamia, restored beyond what left the crew factory. Sterling silver recast hull and the 1950s spirit of the Silver Dawn takes flight again. He leads again, pointing the 1950s Silver Dawn toward everything that awaits.
Hatched from the same log, grain flowing unbroken across every 1950s panel.
12 coats of lacquer, each one flatted by hand. The 1950s crew standard. Piano gloss earned by cloth and hand alone. No 1950s machine achieves this finish.
The finest 1950s hides selected Bresnan for the rarest Silver Dawn interior of all.
Each piece numbered, each cut made once. There are never any second chances.
7 stitches to the inch, placed by hand. The 1950s Silver Dawn way. Always. 1950s Silver Dawn rear pry. Pale blue, gray leather and walnut. Pure elegance.
The 1950s Silver Dawn dashboard restored. Every gauge reading truth once more. Calibrated 1950s instruments, reading correctly for the first time in decades. Wilton wool carpet underfoot, 1950s silence woven into every single strand. 1950s West of England cloth above, the Silver Dawn ceiling restored to elegance. Every 1950s door card crate, furniture installed into the rarest post-war Rolls. The 1950s steering wheel restored, ready to guide the Silver Dawn forward.
1950s steel disc wheels balanced and painted, the Silver Dawn standard met.
Wide chrome trim rings and hubcaps, the 1950s Silver Dawn dressed for the road. 1950s white wall crossplies, exactly as the Silver Dawn left the crew factory. 4 1950s corners complete. The Silver Dawn stands at her correct height, proud. Panel by panel, the 1950s Silver Dawn takes her final and perfect form.
Carnauba wax on 1950s silver blue, protecting perfection with equal devotion.
The final pass. 1950s silver blue reaches its absolute peak of luminous perfection.
Open the 1950s bonnet. Everything beneath is as perfect as everything above it.
The 1950s key. The ignition. 6th 9 years of Silver Dawn silence ends now.
The final 4.9-liter 6 stirs for the first time in decades.
Oil rises. Wait!
She fires. Smooth, quiet, luminous. The finest Silver Dawn engine ever built. Every 1950s impossible hour poured in, repaid completely in this one moment.
1950s cylinders. One silver whisper, smooth as dawnlight, composed, always. The doors part. 1950s light finds the Silver Dawn. She steps into the world again. 1950s silver blue and ivory in English sunlight. The finest decade of the Silver Dawn. Walk around her slowly. Every 1950s angle of the Silver Dawn earns its moment. The 1950s Silver Dawn Parthenon Grille. Chrome columns of the finest decade. Spirit leads the 1950s Silver Dawn into the light.
as she always was meant to. The first 1950s mile in 9 years, driven at dawn, exactly as it should be.
Inside Pro, 1950s light fills pale blue-gray leather and walnut. Perfect harmony.
1950s roads, 1950s light, 1950s mist. The Silver Dawn belongs to all three. From above, 1950s silver blue threading through the mist of England. Autumn gold falling on 1950s silver blue. England at her most beautiful decade. She arrives at the 1950s country house to Creuse, precisely when the Silver Dawn belongs.
The 1950s door opens. Step inside. The Silver Dawn receives you in 1955 light.
She stops at the 1950s concours. The crowd stops with her. The Silver Dawn holds court.
White gloves travel the 1950s Silver Dawn from end to end evenly, finding nothing wrong.
Best of show for the rarest and most elegant 1950s Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn.
Under studio lights dull, the 1950s Silver Dawn becomes luminous beyond description. 1950s dawn headlamps, silver light through silver mist. She named herself. 1950s rain on silver blue is beautiful on the Silver Dawn. It simply beads and runs. Above and below, two 1950s Silver Dawns in perfect reflection. Both extraordinary. This is where she started. This is where she stands. Both are the 1950s Silver Dawn. 2 years of one life, given to 6 to 9 years of 1950s silver history. The 1950s keys change hands. The Silver Dawn begins her next chapter.
The 1950s Silver Dawn drives into her own dawn. It was always going to end this way.
No studio needed for the 1950s Silver Dawn. 1950s dawn light is her perfect setting.
1950s detail by Diaz, the language of the rarest post-war Rolls-Royce ever built.
First 1950s light, dawn mist rising, the Silver Dawn approaching through history.
Finest 1950s standard steel rear compartment Rolls-Royce ever built.
Still.
6 to 9 years, one restoration, 0 regrets. The 1950s Silver Dawn endures. The Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn, 1955, the finest and last 1950s legend, eternal.